What's up, my inspiration? Keep your attention focused entirely on what is truly your own concern. And be clear that what belongs to others is their business and none of yours. Quote from Epictetus. Now, I shared with you in my last video 4 benefits of minding your business. And for those who watched it, I'm sure walked away with some valuable information. However, I would be remiss if I didn't provide some tips on how to mind your business. So without further ado, here's 5 steps to help you mind your business.
1. Avoid gossip. Now, gossip is all around us and not hard to find if it's something that you seek. Unfortunately, negative gossip, as many of us should know, does nothing for the betterment of our society. Bad gossip erodes trust, can hurt feelings along with reputations, and waste valuable time. So, at all costs avoid negative gossip, and this will certainly assist you with minding your business.
2. Deflect. Get in the habit of deflecting any conversation that could potentially be toxic and unhealthy for your mind, body, and spirit. This means, if necessary, to change the subject, to facilitate and encourage a positive exchange of information. In other words, lead by example. Teach the world what you will and will not tolerate.
3. Control the controllable. How many times have you found yourself in conversations about situations that was clearly out of your control? I'm talking about the boss's love triangle, uncle always into something negative, or that vehicle on the highway driving 15 miles per hour under the speed limit. The reality is that there are just some things we can do nothing about, let alone give our undivided attention to. So, before deciding to entertain any potential distractions, ask yourself, is this something I can actually control?
Now, as a bonus, here's a helpful equation I came across online for you to consider moving forward. Your thoughts and actions equals your business. Other people's thoughts and actions equals their business, not your business. External circumstances, weather, external events, etc., equals not your business.
4. Exit stage right. Now, one of the easiest ways to mind your business is to exit the conversation or dismiss the distraction as soon as it presents itself. Think of it this way: if it doesn't concern you, doesn't require your attention, input, advice, or services, it would certainly benefit you to mind your business and exit stage right.
5. Practice. To get better at anything in life, it will always take practice. Knowing who and what to pay attention to requires a heightened sense of awareness, which requires focus, and this is the key to mastery and growth.
Now let me end with a saying from Steve Maraboli. How do I have productive days with minimum drama? Simple. I mind my own business. This is James Alexander, your mental health and wellness coach, aka your inspirational wordsmith, helping humanity rise, one word at a time. And remember, words are free. It's how you use them that might be costly. Have a phenomenal day.
If you or someone you know is considering suicide, please contact the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 1-800-273-TALK. 8255, or text HELP to the crisis text line at 741741. Or go to suicidepreventionlifeline.org.